What's up? Today I'm going to be putting new parts on my bike, so let's get into it. Alright, just finished. I'm just stoked how it turned out. Looks amazing. Purple iridescent colorway. Yeah, we got some more parts coming soon, some more hardware and stuff. So I'll fill you in once those arrive. But if you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Probably get some more bike builds coming up soon. So see you then. Peace.